Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that silently stops most people from growing. Something that looks small, feels normal, but slowly destroys your progress. Mistakes. Not just mistakes, but the same mistakes repeated again and again. Everyone makes mistakes. That is not the problem. The real problem begins when you repeat them without awareness. When you keep doing the same thing, hoping for a different result. When you ignore the signals that something is not working. If you want to improve your English, your confidence, your life, you must learn one powerful rule. Never repeat the mistakes that are holding you back. Many learners work hard. They watch videos. They read books. They practice sometimes. But still, after months or even years, they feel stuck. They feel like they are not moving forward. Why does this happen? It happens because effort alone is not enough. If your effort is built on the wrong habits, your progress will always be slow. You can push harder, but if you are walking in the wrong direction, you will never reach your goal. This is why awareness is more important than effort. You must clearly see what you are doing wrong. And once you see it, you must decide to change it. That decision changes everything. If you are serious about improving your English step by step, make sure you subscribe. On this channel, you will get simple systems, real strategies, and practical guidance to help you speak confidently and improve faster. Subscribe now and let's grow together. The first mistake you must never repeat is waiting to be perfect before you start. This is one of the biggest traps. Many learners believe they need perfect grammar, perfect vocabulary, and perfect pronunciation before they speak. So they wait. They keep studying silently. They keep preparing. But they never start using the language. This creates a dangerous cycle. The more you wait, the more fear you build. The more fear you build, the harder it becomes to speak. Perfection is not the starting point. Perfection is a result of practice. If you want to improve, you must start before you feel ready. Speak with broken sentences. Write with mistakes. Try even when you feel uncomfortable. Because that discomfort is not a sign of failure. It is a sign of growth. The moment you accept imperfection, you unlock progress. The second mistake is learning too much but using too little. Many learners collect knowledge. They learn new words every day. They study grammar rules. They watch lessons. But they do not use what they learn. This creates an illusion of progress. You feel like you are improving, but in reality, your speaking ability stays the same. Knowledge becomes powerful only when it is used. If you learn 10 new words but never use them in real sentences, those words will disappear from your memory. But if you learn 5 words and use them again and again, they become part of your language. Always remember this. Use is more important than learning. Speaking one simple sentence is more valuable than memorizing 10 complex ones. If you want fluency, you must train your brain to produce, not just receive. The third mistake is being afraid of mistakes. This fear is silent but powerful. It stops you from speaking. It makes you overthink. It makes you doubt yourself. But here is the truth. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. Every mistake shows you exactly what you need to improve. When you avoid mistakes, you avoid learning. When you accept mistakes, you accelerate learning. Think about a child learning to speak. They make thousands of mistakes, but they do not stop. They do not feel embarrassed. They keep trying, and slowly, they become fluent. You must adopt the same mindset. Do not try to avoid mistakes. Try to learn from them. Each mistake is a step forward, not a step back. The fourth mistake is inconsistency. Many people start with high energy. They feel motivated. They practice for a few days or weeks. But then life becomes busy. Motivation drops. They stop. Then they start again. Then they stop again. This pattern destroys progress. Fluency is not built in one day. It is built through daily repetition. Even small practice, done consistently, creates powerful results. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Consistency trains your brain. It creates habits. It makes English a natural part of your life. If you want real progress, you must show up every day. Not only when you feel motivated, but especially when you do not. The fifth mistake is focusing on difficult things instead of useful things. Many learners believe that learning big words or complex grammar will make them fluent. But real communication does not depend on difficulty. It depends on usefulness. In real life, people use simple language. They use common phrases. They repeat patterns. If you spend your time learning rare words that you never use, you are wasting your energy. Instead, focus on high-frequency language. Learn the phrases you can use every day. Practice them in real situations. Build your confidence with simple sentences. Once you master the basics, you can slowly add complexity. But never skip the foundation. The sixth mistake is translating everything in your head. This habit slows you down. It creates confusion. It makes speaking difficult. When you think in your native language and then translate into English, your brain becomes overloaded. You pause. You hesitate. You lose your flow. Fluency requires direct thinking. You must train your brain to think in English. Start small. Use simple thoughts. Describe what you see. Express your feelings in basic sentences. Over time, this habit becomes natural. And when it becomes natural, your speaking speed increases. You stop translating. You start communicating. The seventh mistake is ignoring listening practice. Many learners focus only on speaking or grammar. But they forget that listening is a key part of fluency. If you cannot understand English clearly, you cannot respond confidently. Listening trains your brain to recognize patterns. It improves your pronunciation. It helps you learn natural expressions. But listening must be done correctly. Do not just listen passively. Listen actively. Pay attention to words. Repeat sentences. Try to understand the meaning. Use short clips and repeat them multiple times. This builds strong listening skills, which directly improve your speaking. The eighth mistake is giving up too early. Progress in language learning is not always visible. Some days you feel improvement. Some days you feel stuck. This is normal. Growth is not a straight line. It has ups and downs. But many learners quit during the slow phase. They think nothing is changing. They lose confidence. They stop. This is the biggest mistake. Because if they continued, they would see results. Success belongs to those who stay consistent, even when progress feels slow. Trust the process. Keep practicing. Your efforts are working, even if you cannot see it immediately. The ninth mistake is comparing yourself with others. In today's world, it is easy to compare. You see someone speaking fluently. You feel behind. You feel discouraged. But you do not see their journey. You do not see their struggles. Everyone learns at a different speed. Everyone has a different starting point. When you compare, you lose focus on your own growth. Instead of comparing, measure your progress against your past self. Are you better than last week? Are you more confident than before? That is what matters. Focus on your journey. Your progress is your responsibility. The 10th mistake is not tracking your progress. Many learners practice, but they do not measure improvement. Without measurement, you feel lost. You do not see results. This reduces motivation. But when you track your progress, you see clear proof of growth. Record your speaking. Write regularly. Check your mistakes. Notice your improvements. This builds confidence. It shows you that your efforts are working. And when you see progress, you feel motivated to continue. Now, understand this clearly. Mistakes are not the problem. Repeating the same mistakes without change is the problem. If you continue the same habits, you will continue the same results. But if you change your habits, your results will change. This is the power of awareness. Once you see what is holding you back, you have the power to move forward. From today, make a simple decision. Do not repeat the mistakes that slow you down. Start speaking before you are ready. Use what you learn every day. Accept mistakes as part of growth. Stay consistent even on difficult days. Focus on useful language. Think in English. Train your listening. Be patient with your progress. Focus on your journey. Measure your improvement. This is not about being perfect. This is about being better than yesterday. Small improvements, repeated daily, create big results. Your fluency is not far away. It is built step by step, day by day, decision by decision. Remember this. Every time you choose action over fear, you grow. Every time you choose consistency over excuses, you improve. Every time you learn from your mistakes instead of repeating them, you move forward. Keep going. Stay consistent. Trust your effort. The person you want to become is built by the choices you make today. And if you stop repeating the mistakes that hold you back, nothing can stop your progress. But there is one more mistake that many people never notice, and because they never notice it, they keep repeating it for years. They focus only on results and ignore the process. They ask, when will I become fluent? How long will it take? Why am I not there yet? These questions create pressure. And that pressure slowly turns into frustration. When you focus only on the result, every day feels slow. Every mistake feels heavy. Every delay feels like failure. But real growth does not work like that. Growth is quiet. Growth is slow. Growth happens in the small actions you repeat daily. When you shift your focus from results to process, everything changes. Instead of asking, "Am I fluent yet?" you start asking, "Did I practice today?" That simple shift removes pressure and builds consistency. And consistency always wins. Another mistake you must avoid is learning alone without feedback. When you practice without correction, you repeat the same errors again and again. You think you are improving, but you are only strengthening wrong patterns. Feedback is what sharpens your learning. It shows you what is right and what needs to change. Without feedback, progress becomes slow and unclear. With feedback, progress becomes faster and more focused. You don't need perfect correction every time, but you need some level of awareness. You need to notice your mistakes, correct them, and try again. This loop of action and correction is what creates real improvement. There is also a hidden mistake that affects your confidence more than your skill. Negative self-talk. Many learners say things like, "My English is bad. I can't speak properly. I always make mistakes." These thoughts may feel true, but they are harmful. Because your brain listens to what you repeat. If you keep telling yourself that you are not good enough, your confidence will drop. And when confidence drops, performance drops. Instead, you must train your mind just like you train your language. Replace negative thoughts with constructive ones. Say, "I am improving every day. Mistakes are helping me grow. I am becoming more confident." This is not false motivation. This is mental training. And mental training supports real progress. Now bring all of this together. Learning English, or any skill, is not about doing everything perfectly. It is about doing the right things consistently and avoiding the wrong patterns repeatedly. When you remove the mistakes that slow you down, your progress becomes natural. You don't need to push harder. You need to move smarter. Small changes in your daily habits can create powerful results over time. So from this moment, become more aware. Notice your habits. Notice your patterns. Ask yourself simple questions. Am I using what I learn? Am I practicing daily? Am I learning from my mistakes? Am I staying consistent? These questions will guide you. They will keep you on the right path. And remember this clearly. You don't need to be perfect to move forward. You just need to stop going backward. Every time you avoid repeating an old mistake, you create space for a new improvement. Every time you choose a better habit, you build a stronger future. One day, you will look back and realize something powerful. The things that once felt difficult now feel easy. The fear that once stopped you is no longer there. The language that once felt confusing now feels natural. That day will not come from one big action. It will come from many small, correct decisions repeated daily. Keep going. Stay patient. Stay aware. And most importantly, never repeat the mistakes that once held you back. Because your growth is not just about learning more. It is about becoming better, step by step, day by day, until the version of you that once felt far away becomes your reality. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.